Hi there, little farmers. Do you know what farm animals give us? Let's find out together. First, let's meet our friend the cow. Moop, moop, cow. What does the cow give us? Can you guess?
Milk.
That's right. Cows give us yummy milk to drink. We use milk to make cheese, butter, and even ice cream. Delicious. Now, let's visit the chickens. Cluck, cluck. What do chickens give us?
Eggs.
You got it. Chickens give us eggs. We use eggs to make yummy breakfast like scrambled eggs and cassoulet. Now, let's visit the sheep bear bar. What do sheep give us?
Wool.
Yes, sheep give us wool. And we use wool to make cozy sweaters and blankets. Perfect for staying warm. And look, here's a goat. What do goats give us? Can you guess?
Milk.
That's right. Goats give us milk too. And we use goat's milk to make yummy cheese and even soap. Look, here's a pig, oink, oink. And what about our friend the pig? What do pigs give us?
Meat.
Yes, pigs give us meat like bacon, ham, and sausages. Pigs are very helpful on the farm. Look who's galloping in. Neigh, neigh. What do horses give us?
They help us work. Or they give us rides.
That's right. Horses are super helpful on the farm. They help us carry things and can give us fun rides. Isn't that cool? Do you hear that? Buzz, it's a bee. What do bees give us?
Honey.
You got it. Bees give us sweet honey. We use honey to make yummy snacks and even to help when we have a sore throat. Well, look at all the amazing things we get from farm animals: milk, eggs, wool, goat's milk, bacon, rides from horses, and even sweet honey from bees. Isn't that incredible? Thanks for exploring the farm with me today. Keep learning and discovering new things. If you're excited to learn with us, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on more fun adventures. Bye bye, little farmers.